So you know, say, at them time there, I used to go to studio, but not for recording. I used to go to studio to get dub plate, I used to go jammings, record factory. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the dub plate road.
Yeah, forget dub plate for the sound and everything, and arrows. You know, we used to do all about Sprague Benz. Remember Sprague Benz are part of the sound, so we used to do Kirk to arrows to
Record
jammings,
factory, dynamic
up
sounds.
Ricky Trooper.
Yeah.
You see me I say, because Ricky Trooper is a person we meet early too. But even before me a real artist or anything like that, because I'm going to do a dub. But for Ricky Trooper, you know, I'm going to do a dub plate. You know, them time Ricky Trooper have whole heap of thing with him, you know, try with youths and whatever. So go up there and I do a dub plate. Him and him virgin and him buggy nose apart. And when me done the dub plate, them say, he say, you're a selector? And me I say, yeah. And him I say, you're not a selector, man, you're an artist. So him I say, Trooper said, no, man, you're not a selector, you're an artist. Nobody will have the voice there. Must be no selector. Anybody will have a voice like that.
And you know him talk already,
Yeah,
him talk
say,
loud.
anybody that can have a voice like that must be an artist, brother. You're an artist. And him start encourage me too. Him a one of the first man too.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Big up Trooper.
Outside of full friendship them,
Yeah.
we say, youth, you're an artist. You're not a selector, you have to be an artist. The voice doesn't come so. You understand what I say?
Yardstyle live.